My name is Cynthia, and I'm the Department Chair of Instructional Technology. I was using Excel, but now I've switched to Google Sheets. Click here for more reviews. Excel and Google Sheets help us with all of our spreadsheet needs. So, whether we are working on budgets or handling large amounts of student information, or even just doing basic spreadsheet functions, we use Excel and Google Sheets for both. Google Sheets specifically does an excellent job with collaboration. Excel does not allow people to collaborate on a document. So, for example, I can work with a very large budget with two, three, or four of my coworkers at the same time. We can be inputting information and even putting in comments, chatting off to the side, and we are all able to access the same spreadsheet at once. Microsoft Excel is about 30 years old, so it's been around for a very long time. And Microsoft Excel is really good at complex calculations. There are definitely some calculations and some functions that you cannot do in Google Sheets, but you can do those in Excel. Also, when you start working with Google Sheets, once you start getting around 5 million cells, things tend to slow down, but with Excel, you have the ability to work with up to 17 billion cells. When I first started using Excel, I actually had no idea what I was doing, and so I had to take a training course offered at a local community college just to understand the basic functions and equations. Since I had that background information, it was very easy for me to use Google Sheets, but I feel like now, especially, you could use both programs by watching videos on YouTube or just doing general searches on the internet. The top considerations when looking for this kind of software, the first one's going to be price. Of course, you don't want to spend a lot of money when you can get another product for free. Also, the ability for these products to be available at all times. So sometimes Excel isn't great about being available only offline, and Google Sheets sometimes doesn't like to be offline either. So you definitely want it to be accessible at all times. And you also want them to have a lot of different additional add ons that are going to make it easier to use.